There are many hot topics in AI industry recently. You might see posts and videos on Claude Cowork and its impact to the SaaS stock price, the Claude bot changes to OpenClaw, and people making super real videos with Seedance. Today's pick is Seedance 2.0 by ByteDance. For users in video creation, the pain points include these four: 1. Character or subject inconsistency. 2. Lack of control over camera and movement. 3. Unrealistic physics and motion. 4. Audio-picture syncing issue. Here I will play a short clip from MediaStorm and then explain how Seedance 2.0 resolves all of them. One, character and subject drift, inconsistency. Previous AI models often struggled to maintain the same character, clothing, or object appearance across different shots. Seedance 2.0 can generate 4 to 15 seconds of reliable video. It uses a new visual anchoring algorithm and reference system to lock in facial features, clothing, and proportions, enabling coherent, long-form storytelling. Lack of control over camera and large-scale movement. Users often had to regenerate videos numerous times to get the right angle. With Seedance 2.0, you are the director, and it gives you the high-precision keyframe control for defining start, end points, pan, tilt, zoom, and even simulating handheld breathing camera movement. Unrealistic physics and motion. We have been laughing that AI-generated videos often showed unnatural movements, such as a cat falling incorrectly or objects acting strangely. Seedance 2.0 utilizes enhanced physics-aware training to ensure natural gravity, lighting, shadows, and motion, making interactions look grounded. Tedious post-production, audio syncing. Instead of requiring separate, time-consuming steps for editing, voiceover, and sound design, Seedance 2.0 features native audio-visual synchronization. It generates matching sound effects and lip syncing based on voice input. Because the quality is higher than earlier AI video models, people are asking a bigger question. Is AI video becoming production ready? And if tools like this continue improving, the cost and speed of content creation could change dramatically. What does such a powerful AI product impact to the existing business? First, it will dramatically reduce the entrance barrier for video production. Second, the cost will much lower. This caused a big rally in Chinese media and filmmaking company stocks. 3. It will hurt the commercial models, fashion photographers, and post-production labor. Last but not least is the copyright issue. The IP holders now have great concerns, as we have seen famous characters and iconic voice in many videos. So, today's takeaway: AI video is evolving fast. If you're building AI or creating video content, this is the moment to pay attention. Follow for the AI PM brief.